to use the KUKA robot to draw this sketch by using point-to-point, linear, and circular. After creating the command of these three to draw this diagram, we are going to add the logic command. So this is in home position. So we change the keys to exist. Then for exist A5, we move it downward. Then we add command point to point, command OK. Yes. Then we change the key to word. Then for the z-axis, move downward. Okay. Next, for the x-axis, we move forward. We can increase the speed. Okay, next for y-axis, move to the left. Then command point to point, command OK. Okay, so
Start.
for linear motion and circular motion. Okay. First, we move the y-axis to the positive y direction. Okay. Command motion linear. Okay, next command OK. For circle motion, first we move the y-axis first. Command motion circular pitch auxiliary. Yes. Then we continue. Pitch and yes, command OK. That is for circular motion. So now I will continue to do the next motion, which is also this is linear motion. So proceed to the next point. Okay. So command and my motion is linear. So click linear. So I proceed to the next motion, which is also linear but in y-axis. Okay. And then still same motion and it's linear. Okay. So next I will do circular motion. So I'll proceed to I will go to the center point first. So this is the center point, and then click command motion and choose the circular motion, and then teach auxiliary. Yes. Okay. Then I'll proceed to the next point. Okay. So I reached to the next point already. Now teach and yes and okay. Okay, so done. Next is linear motion in y-axis. So I just proceed. So same, go to the linear. Okay. So now it's again is circular motion. So I go to the center point first, and then x-axis. Okay. So this is the center point. So command and I choose the circular motion and teach auxiliary. Click yes, and then I proceed to the next point. Okay, so this is the next point. So I will click teach and okay. Okay, so now we just left the linear in horizontal line. So the motion will be linear, and I'll proceed. This is y. Okay. So I will stop at this end. Okay. Okay. And then command. So this is linear, so I just need to click linear and okay. The last motion is still linear but in vertical. So it's x positive and reach to the first point. Same step, linear motion and okay. So that's all. So now we would like to add in the logic command into the command that we have key in this controller. So I will show how to add in the wait and wait for logic command. So before we begin, we would like to choose the program run mode to motion so that we can see each motion by each motion by motion, and then we add in the logic command in between. So now we run it. So we would like to add the wait logic command after this point. So when the KUKA robot moves from this point to this point, we would like to add wait. Okay, now we would like to click command, logic and wait. So we just set it 3 seconds, so it will wait for 3 seconds later. Okay, command okay. So after the wait command, now I would like to add the wait for command at this point. So when the KUKA robot moves from this point to this point, it needs to wait for switch or sensor. But in today's lab, we are going to choose switch. So when the KUKA robot reaches this point, then the light at the EPC board 11 will turn on, and when we switch it off, then the light will turn off also. Then the program will be continued. So now we like to run first.
Okay.
Okay, it's normal for it to be like that. So when you run in the program from the beginning until the end, it will run as normal as the curve line. So it's normal for it to run straight line at the beginning. So now we like to add the wait for command. So we click command, logic, wait for, then okay.
11.
11. 这个没有是
Okay.
Okay, it will be the blank. Okay. So the 11, the input 11 means the switch step. Okay.
Continue with another two logic command, which is out logic command and sing out logic command. So for this moment, I would like to select the point to put in the logic command. So now we already key in the wait logic command. So we need to turn on the switch first before we can run it. So switch here. Okay. Then we run
等一
it.
下，
Okay. Then we deactivate the switch again. Okay. So I would like to add out the out logic command at this point. So as usual, at this point we just key command logic out and then out. Okay. Then the out sensors will be 12. Okay, then we select 12 here. 12. Okay. Then for starting point will be the true, and this will be the blank. So basically the out function is for this sensor is to grip and ungrip a certain item and the end effector. However, the out function is true, means the end effector will grip the things, and then when later we will key the command and then I key command OK. Okay, so I run the program first. So at this point it will grip the things, and then okay, so we decided to ungrip the things at this point. So at this point we add again command out, and then here we change to false. Same as usual, the sensor is 12. So just now when the out stated is true, there the light at the PLC board will the light at the PLC board at the sensor number 12 will light on, and then at the status false here it will turn off. Okay, so command OK. Okay, add in another logic function which is sing out function. Basically, sing out function is the function that when it reaches a certain point, it will synchronize. In this lab, when it reaches the point that we enter this logic functions, the light, the specific light at the PLC there will be light on, same as the out function just now. And when we off it, it will off also. So we just run the program first. We want to decide specific way to add in the logic function. So we decided to add in at this point. So as usual, we key in the command logic out, then sing out. So for this sing out, the street sensor will be 13. So already 13 here, and then the status will be start. And so the beginning we'll key in the true first, because we need to activate the light for this lab only. And then the delay we can set it maybe 5 milliseconds, 6 milliseconds, or 10 milliseconds. However, in this case we just put it as 0 because milliseconds is too small for us to observe. If you want to end, then you can end. Then command OK. Okay. So then we will run the program, run the robot. So we need to find another point to end, means to force this logic function. So we decided to make it at the beginning point, also the end point here. Okay, so it's same here. we use command, then logic out, scene out, same as just now is 13, and the state is false. We also use a start over here, and then command OK. Means at this status, the light at the PLC board at the sensor 13 there, the LED at the 13 there will be light off. So basically this is a cancel program. So to run our program, we need to select a program. So just now this is a folder, this is the file that we key in the program. So we select it. Okay. So first of all, we will demo it in manually first. So if it's manually, then it's okay if the speed is 100%. So this motion we change to go mode, so that let's start it. Okay, so first it will return to the home position. Okay, so we need to press again the button and hold it. So just now this is the first motion we set it. Okay, you can see this is a point-to-point motion to the first point, and then linear motion to the second point. So at here we will wait for 3 seconds because just now we already add in the wait logic function. Okay, after 3 seconds it will move again in circular motions, and then over here so we need to wait for, we already set wait for logic function here, so we need to open the switch here, so it will continue to move. Okay, then remember to close the switch off the switch here. Okay, circular motion, straight line, circular motion. Okay, so just now already passed through the out function, means the LED light over there will turn on and turn off already. And here, and at this moment, the scene out function also have already activated, and the LED light 13 there also turn on already. So when the robot go to the final point, and also this is the point that we set scene out to close, to switch off the light. So that's all for our program. Next I will okay. Again over this speed of 30%. Wait for 3 seconds. And then wait for the switch. Okay, out function, out off, and then scene out, and then final point here, scene out off. So that's all our program.